Has your dog ever made a terrifying, honking, gasping sound that makes you think they are choking? It is called a reverse sneeze. It sounds like a massive medical emergency. Your dog might stand still, extend their neck, and gasp loudly, but in reality, it is usually just a harmless throat spasm caused by dust, allergies, or excitement. Most owners panic and rush to the emergency vet, spending hundreds of dollars for absolutely nothing. However, if it happens constantly, it could be a sign of a nasal mite or an elongated soft palate. Want to know the difference between a harmless quirk and a real emergency? Then stay tuned for more updates from Dr. Kevin here to give you advice on the little things we miss daily.